For years you have lived on a diet of sugar. You refuse to eat anything healthy because you don't want to. Well, to survive this game, you will have to eat what you don't want to eat. To the right of you is the foot and hand of your father. A key is inside of these items. Now, your heating is switched on full, and if you don't turn it off shortly, you will get so hot you will die. Wrapped around you is rope that is somehow attached to your insides. Live or die, you decide. Let the games begin. Key's not in the hand then. Guess I better move on to the foot. Where's that key? That's what key. Oh, that's my key. Oh. There's a spare key. Better get that heating off. So, I've just been let out of my Jigsaw trap. They've asked me just to make a little video documentation. He likes to know if he's managed to save people's lives, and I wanted to let him know that he's definitely saved mine. I feel completely differently about it now. I'm not going to be eating any more junk food. I'm not putting that rubbish into my body. I've actually decided, I'm just in there now, and really like the taste of human flesh. It's, you think it's going to be bad, but, I mean, you know people say stuff tastes just like chicken? How about you find something that tastes better than chicken? So, yeah, glad to be alive. Thanks, Jigsaw. Thanks, Jigsaw. You really saved the day yet again. You have defeated the challenge and saved your life. Although I think you might not have taken all the lessons I was trying to teach you, you are still free to go. Congratulations.